Welcome to LowFlow maintenance videos. This video will detail the steps required to disassemble and rebuild a JR series regulator. When making repairs, use only genuine low-flow valve parts, available for immediate shipment from the factory. These are the tools you will need: an adjustable wrench, a seat removal tool, and a spanner wrench. Some optional items would include Loctite 290, Krytox, or silver grade anti-seize. It is also helpful to have the JR series installation and maintenance guide nearby during repair. In your low-flow valve JR series repair kit, you will find a seat holder, Jorlon diaphragm, return spring, washer, and plug. Once you have gathered all the necessary materials, you can begin the disassembly of the JR. Start by clamping the JR valve body securely into a vise. Unthread the adjusting knob and then use the adjustable wrench to remove the spring housing. You can now remove the range spring and spring seat. Next, remove the Jorlon diaphragm assembly from the body. You can now use your seat removal tool to remove the seat holder, seat, plug, and return spring. Then remove the washer from the body. You are now ready to replace the diaphragm. Take the diaphragm assembly and place it into the vise. Using your spanner wrench, loosen the upper diaphragm plate and remove the old diaphragm. Replace this with the new diaphragm from your repair kit. If desired, apply a drop of Loctite 290 to the threaded connection between the upper and lower diaphragm plates. Thread the assembly back together and tighten with the spanner wrench. Now for the rebuild. Using the new parts from your repair kit, you can start to reassemble your JR. First, place the washer down in the body, making sure that it lies flat. Next, insert the new return spring and plug, followed by the seat and seat holder. Be sure to insert the seat firmly into the seat holder. If you wish, you can coat the seat holder with silver grade anti-seize or Krytox. Use your seat removal tool to carefully install the new seat holder into the body. Pay special attention not to damage the top of the plug during this process. Next, place the newly rebuilt diaphragm assembly into the body, making sure the top of the plug fits into the cavity on the lower diaphragm plate. Then replace the spring range and spring seat. Apply some silver grade anti-seize or Krytox to the spring housing threads if desired, and thread it back into the body. Tighten with the adjustable wrench. Finally, thread the adjustment knob into the JR spring housing. Now your assembly and rebuild is complete. If you have any further questions, please refer to the contact information listed here. You may also visit our website, www.lowflowvalve.com, for more information about this and other products. Thanks for watching.